We have a Surface Book 2 2nd gen. This one has an interesting problem. It's either not turning on or it may turn on with good battery, we're not sure. So we got here a Surface charger. We'll plug it in and let's see the behavior using an ammeter. Okay, this will tell us what's going on. It's refusing to charge. So, in such cases, we got two controllers for power. One on the screen, one on the bottom panel. It's best to isolate so we can see what the issue is. We're going to use a needle because the eject button is not working, there's no power. We're going to use a needle to separate the screen. And similar thing on the other side. Now, let's see the behavior of the charging port. Now with the screen separated, so we're only charging the bottom panel. Interesting, the bottom part will not take any power. Does this mean the top side is okay? There's a good chance for that. Okay. Visual inspection. Some minor dirt, nothing serious. No liquid deal, so we can maybe rule that out. He's dead. Let me see if I have one of these as well again. We got one, but it looks like it will have seen better days. I believe this has liquid, all kinds of damage, but let's see if it does react to the charging port in any way. No, it's worse. Okay, let me find another one if I have any more. So this is the bottom of it. Wonderful. Okay, so let's have a look. This is the charging port, Surface Book. Okay. Now we need to determine what the fault is. So let's have a look at the charging port behavior. Nothing, no battery. Some reaction. That means their charging port is fine electrically. Now it probably won't register any voltages because ground is not connected to this battery. You may know that some batteries will not release their charge unless there is a load for safety reasons. I could be wrong, so let's find out. Now he will not communicate now. That is unusually low. The difference balance, how come? Check the voltage. Is this the way that will go? Let me see. Yes, okay. No voltage is registering. You don't see, do you? No. Why does it do that to the multimeter? Let me get another charger just in case. White light. That is very strange behavior, isn't it? Yeah, look at that behavior. Very interesting. Very interesting. How about on the charging port area? I am randomly probing. It's 3.3. 5 volts. Two-volt division. This has to be the charging port. Okay. Charging port is fine. It's a case of a battery. We don't know if it's this battery. Wow, okay. This is R1. Let's see the behavior of R1 in here. So that's how you get a spare part. Okay, now let's see the charging behavior of the amp meter. There is a card reader. 190, 0.2. Let's see if this battery will wake up. This is an interesting story. Sometimes batteries need a trickle charge to eventually wake them up. So this charger has been plugged in the whole time and it's still the same. One interesting behavior I noticed yesterday, the CPU gets stuck at 0.38%, which is generally a sign of some sort of a charging power supply issue. Not enough amps coming through, so the CPU is not allowed to work at high speeds because of limited power available. So I've turned the machine on now. Let's go into have a look into the system again, unless that scenario has changed. Now it has been on charge overnight, so maybe it has done trickle charge. So this was the photo yesterday. There we go. CPU 0.38 and does not move any further, even though it's a 2.6 minimum and capable higher. Okay, so we're in the system and the battery is showing both are 0%, as we can see, 0 and 0. Okay. Task manager and performance is, yeah, this time performance has gone back up to normal speeds. Okay, so let's shut this computer down. Okay, so we do need to look at this further. So the bottom battery we can possibly rule out unless there's a fault with there too. Okay, let's take that off. Now, is there a problem with charging circuitry or not? We are not sure. I don't know, but we do know that the port works fine. It does supply power where it's required. It's not neglecting. And the dock looks okay, that looks okay, and I don't think we need to do anything with the... There's even a Type-C charging port too. Will that make a difference? I didn't check. This has a Type-C port too. Okay, let me have a look at what happens with a Type-C port. I'll connect the original battery in. Okay, let's try it here now. Yeah, so batteries are refusing to charge. Okay. All right, let me speak with the client. Do let them know that the potential issue is with the screen side of things. There is a little bit of expansion. Definitely on the screen side. Let's eject this one more time. Okay, there we go. Okay. Of 2 batteries. First thing I want to try, I'm thinking to try. Shall I try that battery? Will it go into deactivation mode? Let me see if it has any charge. I mean, it won't release charge because nothing is connected. Oh, it is 7.89. Wow, look at that. The battery is being charged. Good. So definitely the other battery internally is gone. So we need this battery. How can 2 batteries be messed up, eh? Yeah. Yeah, I can see the charging symbol. Say 184. Ah, thank God, we don't have to remove the top LCD. So it has been charging for some time. I just reconnected it. Let's have a look at the status. And 99%. There we go. So if I now give this a go, yeah. So we have to now remove the battery from here. Wow, there we go. That's it. Alright, so we're just gonna let it seal overnight. It should be all good to go, just like that. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.